Hey guys, so I'm going to give you my version of your Salsa Verde. Enjoy! So first you're going to take your tomatillos, peel them, wash them very well. I used about 8 of them, different sizes. I threw them in a cast iron skillet with about 1/4 of a white onion chopped up. I let them char on one side, then I flipped them again, let them char on the other side as well. See how they end up looking? At this point, they're ready to go in your food processor. You just take all that, put it in your food processor, and then along with your tomatillos and your onion that you've added into there, you also want to throw in some fresh cilantro to taste. I like the taste of cilantro, so I used quite a bit of this bunch. I also threw in a little salt, a little bit of sugar to even out and really bring out those flavors of my salsa verde. Take a lime, chop it in half, squeeze 1/2 of the lime juice into your food processor along with everything else. Then I also took about another 1/4 of the white onion, chopped it up raw, and threw it right on in here, along with, which I don't have pictured, also about a tablespoon of garlic, as well as 1/2 of a jalapeno that was extremely hot. After you have this pureeing, you let it go to the thickness and consistency that you like. Once all of my tomatillos were chopped up small enough to where they look like real salsa, I stopped it, and there you have it. This is the end result, your salsa verde. Enjoy with your favorite tortilla chips or whatever other meal you like.